Hello you guys. Today I'm going to show you a little haul of an order that I placed with a company called Rock and Oil Naturals, and they're a bath and body company called Rock Oil Naturals. And here's my box that I just got in the mail. So now I'm going to open up and see what we have in my order. Okay, first we have this, and I'm going to open up this and see what's inside. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. Ooh. Yum. We have like a huge cherry candy. Nice. And then we have the card. We have a card. It says, April, hello and hope your year has been amazing and that these bath goodies will bring you a lot of happiness. Aw, that's sweet. And then here is, I think this is my packing slip. It's really cool. Yeah, this is my packing slip. Isn't that cool to put like a little thank you card, handwritten, and then a little sweet treat in there? All right, so first we have something called Wildflower Bubble Bar. Now this I did not order. This one she just threw in. Wildflower Bubble Bar. Wildflower Bubble Bar. And then, oh, we got another thing she just threw in. This is a bath bomb called California Dreamin'. It says it has evening primrose oil, ooh, orange oil, clove bud, star anise, lemon myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla, ginger, cinnamon bark, and zdravitz. Nice. Let's see here. California Dreamin' is what it's called. Look how cute this little guy is. And he's purple, which is awesome. Ooh. And it's purple. Ooh. You know, wow. I really like this. I really like this. All right. So here is a bath bomb that I bought called Kokomo. I just thought it was so pretty, the little swirly design. And this one has mango, kiwi, pineapple, guava, and coconut scent. Ooh. It's made with avocado oil, sodium bicarb, citric acid, cornstarch, titanium oxide, witch hazel. Nice. The next one is called Dead Man's Party. I like that song, Dead Man's Party. And it says juicy fig and sweet orange. Ooh. This one's made with powdered buttermilk and coconut oil. Oh, nice. Let's see what this one. So that's what that one looks like. Isn't that cute? And then next, I love this one. This one is called One Toke Over the Line. One toke over the line, sweet Jesus, one toke over the line. Sitting downtown in a railway station, one toke over the line. Does anyone remember that song except me? Besides me, I mean. This one says it does not contain THC or CBD. And it says that this has the scent of cannabis, sage, lavender, and patchouli. Can't wait to try this one. Look at the colors of it. I can't wait. It's a good one. And then this one is called White Rabbit. White Rabbit, and it looks like a pill. And this one is lemon cake and buttercream frosting. Oh, lemon cake and buttercream frosting. This one has almond oil in it. And next is this gorgeous soap. It's a bubble bar. This is a bubble bar, okay? And it's called Sweet Sticky Thing Bubble Bar. Sweet Sticky Thing. It looks like a pear, a purple pear. I love it. And the scent of this is tart fig and rosemary. I can't wait to use this. Oh my God. Next is another bath bomb, and this one is called Walk Like an Egyptian. How cool is that, right? Look at that. It's got gold shimmer all over, and it's got the Eye of Horus there. This one is scented with neroli, shea butter, and sweet orange. It's also got apricot oil in it. Walk Like an Egyptian. This one is called Daytripper. We got a magic mushroom here. Isn't that cute? Daytripper. And this one has the scent of a blueberry muffin. And this one is made with hemp oil. Isn't that cool? And then, last but not least, is Spellbound. Isn't this gorgeous? How gorgeous are these? This one has the scent of huckleberry. Isn't that great? That's what it looks like. And what I will also do individual demo videos of each of these bath bombs, and at that time I will take off the plastic of each of the bath bombs and show you up close what it looks like I do in my demos and such, and take pictures, and I will be able to tell you the scent at that time and such. But this is just the haul video to show you all of them. And so that's what I got from the company called Rock and Oil Naturals. And I got my order so fast. I think I got it in 2 days or maybe 3 days, so that was really fast. They're here in the US. And so if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll leave the prices to things down in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, please like my video by giving me a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss any of the demo videos of these bath bombs. And thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye bye.